Hello children, welcome back again in our next session of computer class, and we were learning about artificial intelligence, right? So in the last session children, we have discussed about the types of artificial intelligence, and the three types we have seen, that is artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and artificial super intelligence. So nowadays, children, the trend is of artificial narrow intelligence. Most of the devices are based on artificial narrow intelligence. Okay, it is in machine learning. So it specialize in only one area and solve only one problem. So for example, we have seen Siri, Alexa, and Cortana. So many examples are there. The next is an machine intelligence, that is the stage 2 will be of artificial general intelligence children, and the very most advanced will be artificial super intelligence, right? And intelligent that is much smarter than the best human brains in practically every field. So these were the three types which we have seen. So let us proceed with the next topic, that is what contributes to AI. So children, the field of artificial intelligence is combined of different disciplines for creating system more capable or of copying similar to human intelligence. So the different fields are related to this. They contribute to artificial intelligence. So the different fields are like maths, biology and neuroscience, sociology, psychology, computer science, philosophy. This all contributes to AI. So these all are also related to AI. So you should know what all things contributes to AI, children. So let us proceed. Now fields related to AI. So there are different fields related to AI, children. Out of these are there are machine learning, deep learning, data science, robotics. Many of them children think that machine learning is AI, deep learning is AI, or data science is AI. So children, these are different fields of AI. Okay, these all AI also contributes or closely related to all these fields. Okay, but this is not AI. So it is, these are the subsets of AI. Okay, these all are used to make AI. So let us see one by one. That is machine learning, children. When we say, I can tell you that machine learning systems are the systems that improve their performance with more experience or information. So this is sometimes regarded as subfield of AI. As I said, it is a subset of AI. Okay, these systems are adaptive systems. For example, search engine that gives better result with more experience of data. If you have seen in the Google, continuously if you are searching for something, it gives more and more better and better result for that. Okay, it's because it has that data already. So next one, we talk about the deep learning. Deep learning or deep neural learning. So in the few whatever you are going to learn in the ninth standard, there you will learn this, what is neural networks or neural learning, children, deeply. Okay, that time you will understand what is deep learning. So these are capable of learning from unstructured or unlabeled data. So whatever data most of the time we get, it is unstructured or unlabeled, children. So deep learning uses this data. Okay, like family photograph or emoji scavenger is a game, children. At the end of this session today, I will inform you what all the games you can play without laptop. On mobile also you can play these games, and you can understand through this what is deep learning. Okay, so next one, we talk about the data science. Data science is a term that is used for referring to different related subdisciplines. These subdisciplines include machine learning, statistics, data storage, web development, and etc. So robotics is nothing but you everyone knows robots are computing machines that have both hardware as well as software. So the challenge is to develop AI programs that can help robots in behaving more and more and more like human beings, right? Day by day, the scientists or whoever are working on these fields, they are more and more trying their best to bring up good robots, right? So these all are the fields related to AI, children. These are all the subsets of AI. So this is a figure you can understand through this better. That is, machine learning and deep learning are the subsets of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is a program that can reason, that can reason, that can act, and that can adapt. Whereas machine learning is nothing but the algorithms whose performance improves as they are exposed to more data over time. More and more data they get more and more, they improve themselves over the time. And deep learning is a subset of machine learning in which multi-layered neural networks learn from vast amount of data, and huge data, if they get from that, they conclude to some point. And this neural networks, children, you will learn in the 9th standard, don't worry. So this is the thing which you should understand, that these are the subsets of artificial intelligence. Let us proceed with the next one. Very important topic, children. AI domains. Now, what do you mean by this is artificial intelligence is normally divided into 3 domains. Any of the thing which uses AI, they use these different domains to work. So what are these domains? Let us see. So these are the 3 domains. That is, first one is data, second one is computer vision, and third one is natural language processing. So data is nothing but, children, few AI devices, they use the data as their domain. It can be an audio data, it can be an video data, it can be an textual information, and through that data they come to an conclusion. So data in artificial intelligence system refers to the data that is right for the AI systems in questions. For example, a system developed for recognizing the images of students will not find the data of animal faces, right? If you show the animal face, it will not recognize. It will recognize only the student faces, right? So data is at the core of artificial intelligence. So current AI systems cannot be developed or made functional without adequate data. Data is very important. Okay, so different types of data can be a sound data, that is audio data. For any of the voice recognition systems may be there, children. There are security systems nowadays where it can only recognize your voice, right? So text data is there for automatic classifying systems, any of these systems where the text data can be the input. Then image and video data also are there for computer vision systems, right? So these are the different domains or different types of data where the system will be used. Next one is computer vision. So face recognition, CBIR, smart interactions, these are the inputs for computer vision. So computer vision is a technology that is used for making machines see and perceive the human world as like humans do. Vision is nothing but to see, right? So this requires image or some visual data to understand the system, right, children? So uses for these technologies is like face recognition, like image retrieval, gamings and controlling, surveillance. Nowadays surveillance very important in each and every society, in each and every building there is a surveillance. It includes identifying criminals or illegal behaviors, right? And smart cars, very important. Using the vision only, the smart cars, self-driving vehicles are there, where human being not at all he drives the car, only the system itself, he knows where to go, whether it is left direction or right direction, right? There everything, this computer vision domain is used. Next one is natural language processing. So natural language processing is the third domain, children. It works on enabling the computer to understand naturally written or spoken languages like Hindi or English, right? These make computers capable of natural communication. Now there also, children, there are two main components, that is natural language understanding and natural language generation. Okay, that is NLU and NLG. So let us see once again the data. If a person thinks of automate any system or want a report of analyze of customers feedback, data is required. For anything, children, any system, data obviously is required. For example, taking students daily attendance, directly we cannot just go and take the attendance. We require some data like which is a class, what are the roll numbers, what are student name, and etc. So data can be a backbone of AI. So almost 98% of AI systems are dependent on data. Next one is computer vision. It is a field of science that deals with how computers gain a high level of understanding from digital images or videos. It is a flow that studies how the human visual system works. The computer vision includes the following methods to produce information, that is acquiring images, processing images, analyzing images, understanding images, and so many things are there, children. Now, computer vision is mainly used for face recognition system, as I told earlier. So there are spam chat, Facebook, Google Photos, Instagram, etc., where this domain is used, that is computer vision. Content based images retrieval system, identifying images based on image properties like composition, color, texture, that is CBIR, children, as we have seen in the previous image. That is CBIR means content based image retrieval. That means through the color or texture, these systems identify the images. The application areas are search engines like Google and Bing, used in different CT scans and MRIs in the hospital, etc. I hope these domains are clear. That is computer vision, also helpful in smart interactions to supply input to computers. It is mainly used in games systems designed for differently. Now, games, children, as I told at the end of the session, I will tell you what are the games which are using these different domains, right? So computer vision also helps in environmental perception, such as analyzing videos, images, or video feeds, and etc. So office security or drone based surveillance systems, these all uses this computer vision domain. Next one we have seen is natural language processing. The programming languages works on their own principles, syntax, and keywords. The aim of NLP is to develop such systems that work on human natural languages, on oral and well spoken languages. It has two main components, children. As I said, there is NLU and NLG, that is natural language understanding and natural language generation. So, a natural language understanding is used for spoken or written language, whereas natural language generation helps to produce meaningless phrases and sentences. So, for human beings, actually NLG is very hard and NLU is easy, but for computers or systems, NLG is easy and NLU is difficult, children. Applications of AI, we have already in the first session, we have seen so many applications. Still, these are few more. That is gaming, natural language processing. So many games are there which uses AI, right? Natural language processing are there, export systems are there, vision systems are there, handwriting recognition systems are there, then intelligent robots are there. So these all are the applications of AI, children. Now coming to the next part, that is games, children. Very, very important part this is. So these are the few games. Links for these games are given in your book, children. The first one is rock, paper, scissors. I hope this is very, very known to you, right? When you play in your classrooms also. So when we keep it like this, it is a rock. When we keep it like this, it is a paper, and when we keep it like this, it is a scissor, right? So rules everybody knows, but only the thing, in spite of playing with each other, you have to now play with the computer, right? So link for this is given. So you have to understand, children, how the for first few rounds you can win easily, but as the computer gets the data, it understands what technique you are using, or after like how you think, how your brain thinks, and later on, children, after like 20 rounds or 30 rounds, it will be very, very difficult for you people to win. Okay, so only the way you can win is you have to keep on changing your techniques, right? So this is one game, children, which is based on the data domain. Okay, so next one is mystery animal. So the link is again provided in your book, children. You can just click that link, or you can type that link in and you can just play this mystery animal game. It is based on natural language processing. So you have to ask, there is one mystery animal, you have to keep on asking few questions to the computer, or if you're playing on a mobile, so you have to ask few questions like is that animal stays in water or land, Does it have a tail? Does it eat? It is a carnivore or herbivore? So few questions you have to ask. It will give you like 10 or 20 questions, something you can ask, and from that you have to guess which is that animal. So if you ask proper questions, you can guess that animal. So this is the game. And next one is emoji scavenger hunt. So this is using computer vision, that is actually it sees the whatever the things we bring, that is it will ask you to bring anything like you can use your mobiles also to play this. So like it will ask a pen, it will ask a shoes, it will ask a laptop or anything, and you have to take your phone or bring that thing in front of the camera. It will scan and then it will say yes or no, like it is a correct or not. Okay, so these are the few games. Now I hope it is understood what are these domains, that is data, natural language processing, computer vision, right? There is one more, that is unbeatable tic-tac-toe, that is also known as XO, children, right? Everybody knows 3 into 3 boxes are there and we have to place X and O, right? So if there are horizontal or vertical or slant 3 rows of X or O, that person wins. So this again depends on the data. So it only takes the data, and after some time it will be very difficult for you to beat the computer, right? So these are few games, children, through which you can understand actually what are these 3 domains. There is one more, children, that is quick draw, so which uses AI. I'll just show you what is this quick draw. So you can see here, children, in Google you just type quick draw, and the first you will get the link, that is quickdraw.withgoogle.com. So quickly you just click on that, okay, link, and now you can see here it is a quick draw, and let's draw is given. So just yeah, so draw a cup. Okay, you have to draw a cup in 20 seconds. So it will choose the data. So I say got it, and I will start drawing a cup. So you can see here I
see canoe. Oh, I know, it's cup.
Okay, so it has told now, okay, he got it that it's a cup. So now he said draw a calendar. I said okay, and I'll start drawing
I see
a
square.
Calendar.
I see dishwasher, or cooler, or dresser. Oh, I know, it's calendar.
Okay, so it's a calendar. Now draw a stereo. Now I don't know what is a stereo. I'll just simply
I see square.
Draw something.
I see suitcase, or passport, or toaster,
or
for book.
20
I
seconds.
See mug, or coffee cup, or teapot.
So whatever I'm drawing, it's taking, and it is saying that time up, and you failed to draw
Sorry,
a stereo.
I couldn't guess it.
Next one is grass. So very easy for me to draw a grass.
Oh, I know, it's grass.
Yeah, it's grass. Now next one is umbrella.
I see line, or skyscraper, or fence, or palm tree. Oh, I know, it's umbrella.
Okay, that's an umbrella. A toe. Okay.
I see pond, or garden hose, or hand. I see foot, or shoe, or broom, or bandage, or swing set.
Okay, it's, I don't know how to draw a toe. So again, a wrong one. So you can see here how the...
Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
Okay, so these are the one which we got right and wrong. It will show you the result. Okay, so you can see here, children, how the data is taken, and it will guess using this data that what we have drawn. I hope it was clear. So many more games we will see. Okay, children, whatever game list I have given, that you can try at home. It doesn't require any laptop. Simply you can just enter that link and play on mobile also. So that's it, children. We will stop over here. Thank you.